No, say I shake you.
Hello guys, it's Toyin here again. Thank you so much for the support in the last game. Well, we are here again and we're about to start with this. Oma is here to challenge me.
Hello, my name is Oma. I'm here to challenge. Let's see.
Okay, so who do you guys talk? Who do you think that's going to win? Do you trust yourself, Oma?
I'm not really sure.
Why?
Normally, I play, but I never finish. I always stop halfway when I'm tired.
Okay, yeah. Toyin, do you have the confidence?
Let's see how it goes, guys.
Okay, let's go. Okay, your time starts now. Come and check the strategy that you're using today, so that you know the whole strategy that you're going to use. Use your two hand, Oma.
Oh, okay. Okay. Chinese girl. I'm not going this now. You talk
Any of the strategy, you know, the speed is also important.
Please help me. Please help me pick.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Don't be nervous. You don't do that, huh? Jayo.
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 Jayo. How about you really serious about this? Yeah, we can see the seriousness in her face.
I've not seen that you not take
Yes.
my face come.
I'm not giving up. No. She's not giving up.
Please help me.
Sorry? Okay. It's okay, Lipa. It's okay.
Where's the man?
This place is helpful.
No, say I shake you.
How? When did she say that? She didn't say anything.
I don't know for Michael, you're a troublemaker. Fuck.
This time around, take it. Toyin, continue. Just finish off your own.
Jayo.
Oh. Toyin, this time around, I think she used most of the 4 minutes. She used most of them because you know what we started.
Where's that guy? He started practicing. She's getting faster.
Who of you want to challenge Toyin?
No, it's just that I used the first Chinese girl strategy and my strategy. So as I was feeling one, I was already like, I'm here, but I'm like.
I know they see color. If me and Michael last the win out then.
Okay.
She don't even know what she's doing. Like, she didn't know where to start.
No, who said?
Commission everywhere.
No, let her just finish
You can do it.
Tell her tomorrow.
It's okay. You know today is our first time, so.
Even my first time I was
She said whenever she plays this game that she just stop after and go and sleep.
Michael, shut up your mouth.
Oh, even when I'm mad.
It's okay.
It's fine.
Tomorrow.
Yeah?
There is tomorrow, like.
No, she's almost done. She's done.
Oh! You mean she will finish tomorrow? How?
You still go long, because 5 hours not moving.
Stop now.
Don't mind. You're trying to make her mama give up. She's not giving up. She's not giving up yet. No.
Yeah, she's almost done.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's not giving up anytime soon.
Don't play.
Don't forget, the time she used to finish almost the same time you used for the first
No,
time.
she's even quicker than him.
Monkey.
I said I was watching this one. I was like, this guy really colorblind though.